Making money online. It's easier than you think. Have you ever dreamed of earning money without leaving your house? Guess what? It's totally possible. The internet has opened up so many ways to make money online, even if you're just starting out. Forget about complicated schemes, we're talking easy methods anyone can try. Whether you want some extra cash or a full-time income, there's an online opportunity waiting for you. Let's dive in and explore the world of online earning. Simple ways to start earning, no experience needed. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to make money online, even if you have no prior experience. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new career, the internet offers a plethora of options that are accessible to everyone. One of the easiest ways to dip your toes into online earning is through surveys. These platforms are designed to gather consumer opinions on various products and services, and they pay you for your time and insights. It's a simple and straightforward way to start making money online without any special skills or experience. Companies are always looking for feedback, and they're willing to pay you for your opinion. By sharing your thoughts on products, services, and even advertisements, you can earn a steady stream of income. The more surveys you complete, the more you can earn. It's a flexible option that you can do in your spare time, making it perfect for busy schedules. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie let you share your thoughts and earn rewards. These websites are user-friendly and offer a variety of surveys to choose from. Some even provide additional ways to earn, such as watching videos, playing games, or shopping online. The rewards can be in the form of cash, gift cards, or other incentives, giving you multiple options to benefit from your efforts. Another simple method is microtasking. This involves completing small, easy tasks that don't require much time or effort. These tasks can range from data entry to categorizing images, and they are perfect for those who prefer quick, short-term projects. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk offer small tasks, such as identifying images or transcribing audio, that you can complete for a small fee. These tasks are usually quick and easy, allowing you to complete several in a short amount of time. It's a great way to earn a little extra money during your free moments. If you have a knack for writing, consider freelance writing. This is a fantastic opportunity for those who enjoy crafting words and have a good command of language. Freelance writing allows you to work on a variety of projects, from blog posts to website content, and even technical writing. Many websites connect businesses with freelance writers for projects like blog posts, website content, and more. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are excellent places to start. They provide a platform where you can showcase your writing skills, bid on projects, and build a portfolio. Over time, as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and take on more complex projects. Freelance writing not only offers a way to earn money, but also allows you to develop your writing skills and gain valuable experience in various industries. YouTube, your path to passive income and beyond. YouTube isn't just for cat videos anymore. It's a powerful platform for sharing your passions and earning passive income. Think about what you love: gaming, cooking, travel, anything, and create engaging videos about it. As your channel grows and attracts viewers, you can start monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own products or services. The best part? You can earn money from your videos for years to come. Creating engaging content tips for YouTube success. The key to YouTube success is creating content that people actually want to watch. Start by brainstorming video ideas that align with your interests and target a specific audience. Invest in a decent microphone and camera to ensure good audio and video quality. Most importantly, be yourself and let your personality shine through. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for their feedback. Consistency is key, so aim to upload new videos regularly to keep your audience hooked. Section 5. Turning views into cash monetization methods for YouTubers. Once you've built a decent following on YouTube, you can start exploring different monetization methods. The journey to monetization begins with understanding your audience and the value you bring to them. It's not just about the numbers, it's about engagement and loyalty. The more engaged your audience, the more opportunities you have to monetize your content effectively. The most common way is through ads. Ads are a straightforward method where you earn money based on the number of views and clicks on the ads displayed on your videos. This is often the first step for many YouTubers. By joining the YouTube Partner Program, you can enable ads on your videos and earn a share of the revenue. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're in, you can start earning from various ad formats like display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, and more. Sponsorships are another lucrative option. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products, and as your channel grows, you become more attractive to potential sponsors. These deals can range from a simple product mention to a full-fledged review or dedicated video. As your channel gains popularity, brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. This can be a win-win situation where you get paid and the brand gets exposure to your audience. It's important to choose sponsorships that align with your channel's niche and audience interests to maintain authenticity. If you have your own products or services, YouTube can be a great platform to promote them and drive sales. This could be anything from merchandise like t-shirts and mugs to digital products like ebooks and online courses. By leveraging your influence, you can create a new revenue stream that is entirely under your control. Another method is through fan funding. Platforms like Patreon or YouTube's own membership feature allow your most dedicated fans to support you financially. During live streams, features like Super Chat enable viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted, providing another income source. Affiliate marketing is also a popular choice. By promoting products or services from other companies and including special tracking links in your video descriptions, you can earn a commission on any sales generated through your links. This works particularly well if you review products or create content around specific niches. Lastly, offering exclusive content to paying members can be a great way to monetize. This could include behind-the-scenes footage, early access to videos, or special Quanda sessions. By providing additional value, you can encourage your audience to support you financially while deepening their connection to your channel. Remember, the key to successful monetization is to diversify your income streams. Relying on just one method can be risky, so explore multiple avenues to ensure a steady flow of revenue. Engage with your audience, understand their needs, and continuously adapt your strategies to maximize your earnings. Start monetizing your YouTube channel today and turn your passion into a profitable venture. Section 6. Beyond YouTube, more easy online earning opportunities. If YouTube isn't your thing, don't worry, there are plenty of other easy ways to make money online. The internet is a vast space filled with opportunities waiting to be explored. Whether you have a knack for writing, a passion for marketing, or a talent for design, there's something out there for everyone. Affiliate marketing is a great option for beginners. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. All you need is a platform to share your affiliate links, such as a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media accounts. Simply promote other companies' products or services on your website or social media, and earn a commission on every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products that align with your audience's interests and to create valuable content that encourages them to make a purchase. Dropshipping is another popular e-commerce model that requires minimal investment. Unlike traditional retail models, you don't need to purchase inventory up front. Instead, you only buy products from your supplier when you make a sale. This means you can start your online store with very little capital. You create an online store and partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles the inventory and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. This model is particularly appealing because it eliminates the need for warehousing and logistics, which can be costly and time-consuming. Your main responsibilities will be to attract customers to your store, manage your website, and provide excellent customer service to ensure repeat business. Another lucrative option is selling digital products. Digital products can include ebooks, online courses, printables, and software. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold repeatedly, providing a source of passive income. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating an online course or writing an ebook to share your knowledge with others. Podcasting is also gaining popularity as a way to earn money online. By creating engaging and informative content, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize your podcast through sponsorships, advertising, and listener donations. With the right equipment and a good topic, anyone can start a podcast and build a following. Freelancing is another flexible way to make money online. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, there are countless freelance opportunities available on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms, choose your clients, and set your rates. It's a great way to leverage your skills and build a portfolio while earning an income. Lastly, consider participating in online surveys, website testing, and product reviews. While these methods may not make you rich, they can provide some extra cash in your spare time. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. The key to success in any online earning venture is consistency and dedication. Find what works best for you, stay committed, and keep learning. With time and effort, you can turn your online endeavors into a reliable source of income. So explore these opportunities and start your journey to financial freedom today. Section 7, Taking Action. Your journey to online income starts today. Making money online is within your reach, but it requires taking action. Choose a method that resonates with you and start small. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different approaches. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicate some time each day or week to your online earning endeavors, and you'll start to see results over time. The beauty of online earning is that you can work from anywhere, anytime, on your own terms. Section 8. Don't wait, start earning. Your future self will thank you. The online world is full of opportunities to earn extra income or even build a full-time online business. Whether you choose YouTube, surveys, freelance writing, or any other method, the key is to take action and be consistent. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Start exploring your options today and take control of your financial future. Your future self will thank you for it. Section 9. Want to learn more about YouTube money? Want to dive deeper into the world of YouTube monetization? Click the link below for a free guide packed with tips, strategies, and resources to help you turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine.